masabi ni Rodaline, para ko na rin nakita ang Diyos dahil sa pagmamahal sa akin ni Ryan. At masabi rin ni Ryan, para ko na rin nakita ang Diyos dahil sa pagmamahal ni Rodaline.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that
Ryan, in front of God and of all the people dear to us, I promise to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I will honor your goals and your dreams and will help you to achieve them. I will love you whether you are near or far, when you are at your best or at your worst, in times of joy and in times of sorrow. I am your wife from this day forward.
I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless.
Dada, sa harap ng Diyos, pinapangako ko sa iyo na ikaw lamang ang aking mamahalin, iingatan at aalagaan habang buhay.
With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very
Simula ngayon, magkasama nating haharapin ang ating mga pangarap. Hindi kita iwan. Dada, I love you very much. And I promise you that I will be honest to you all the days of my life.
so beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds,
Nais ng ating Santo Papa ni Pope Francis na itong buhay pamilya na nagsisimula sa kasal ay maging tunay na daan ng kabanalan.
so beautiful.